Mojo, calm down. Calm down.
Noise.
Get him. Tell him to calm down.
Doesn't know what to do.
Hey, excuse me. Let me get his leash. Oh, good girl.
Minka?
It's okay. He's nuts. I know he's nuts. He's nuts.
Are you playing, honey?
He thinks.
Are you playing?
How old is
5 or 6.
5 or 6? Okay.
Are you playing?
He's not for everybody, you know. Yeah, if they had a little more space. Hey, well, he does play pretty well. Come on, nuts. We gotta go anyway.
Have a good
Nice to
night.
meet you guys. I mean.